Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप सब? I'm sure that you must be doing all your practices till now. And till now, you must be feeling a fair amount of gratitude and happiness in your life. Hopefully. And today's practice is again very magical and something that's very, very, very important to all of us in life. Guess what? We are talking about this today. Yeah, money. And we all need loads and loads and loads of this money. But how to get it? Before we get to this idea that how to get a lot of money in our life, we need to see that what is our relationship with money. Mostly what we do is that we complain a lot about the lack of money. Are you one of those people who complain about money? You need to first identify that what is your relationship with money. Does money, the thought of money gives you a lot of freedom, abundance, happiness, joy, power, security? Or you feel that there is lack of money, you complain about money, you're always stressed about money, or you're stressed about earning more money? You need to check yourself first. Let me tell you something very, very important here. Whenever you complain about anything, it reduces and it starts getting less and less and less and less. So by now you must have been knowing this idea that you need to be grateful. You need to be grateful for each and everything in life that you want in abundance. Coming back to money, how can you change your association with money? First of all, take a minute, close your eyes, and connect with yourself that when you think about money, what is the feeling that comes up for you? Is there a low feeling, a feeling of stress, worry, anxiety, fear, despair? Or there is a feeling of hope, happiness, abundance, courage, security, power? Check this out. Once you do this, now I'm going to tell you that how can you attract lots and lots and lots of money into your life just by using the magical power of gratitude. So, what to do? In order to change your lack mindset of money to abundant mindset, you have to sit and either write it or visualize it. The better idea is to first write it and then visualize it. It helps to clarify our mind. So what you need to do is to think about all the money that you have received so far till now, when you were young, since childhood, since your first memory. Like if you had a lot of clothes, if you went places, if you had different toys. Think about those toys. Think about how much money was paid for those toys. You must be having vacations. You must be having a lot of food. You must be having clothes. You must have had some gadgets like a TV, a refrigerator in your house, fan, air conditions. Think about all the stuff that you had in your life that was paid for. Of course, all these things came from money. And also on different occasions like Eid and your birthday parties, the presents that you got, the money you received in cash like Eid and all. So you have to think about all that, and whenever you think about one such thing, in your heart say thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, the three magical words, thank you, thank you, thank you by now. Okay, so you have to say thank you for every occasion that you remember. And then when you will keep thinking about it, your mindset will start shifting. The energy will start shifting from lack to abundance. So do this exercise and take your time through doing this exercise. It will take something like 10 minutes to 30 minutes. But take your time and keep thinking about all the money that you have received from childhood till now in all these years. And after doing that, you make a list of a couple of items that you have in your life now, not a couple of items, all the things that you possess now, and bring out an accumulative total of your wealth. For example, you have a house, so you just estimatedly write how much your house costs you. Then you have clothes, you have shoes, you have bags, you have wallets, you have some extra gadgets, a computer, a phone. We all have that. Any and everything that's in your possession, write them down and write an estimated amount of in front of it, how much it costs. So bring out your total wealth by now. That is the second step. The first step was that think about all the money that you have received in your life till now. And then the second step is that you bring out an accumulative total of all that money and write it down. And the third step is that you take a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper write down that I am extremely grateful for all the money I have received till now. And then again you take a 5,000 note or a 1,000 note or a $100 note, wherever you are according to your own currency, and you just paste it on this note in the middle. And then on 3 different occasions throughout the day, you take it out and you see that note, and then you take a minute, close your eyes